Hey, what's up, guys? Check this out. Looky here. The grass seeds been planted. I can hear it growing. So that's what it looks like right now. I planted these sections a few days ago, maybe a week ago. So it's already growing. And I finished raking this section yesterday, including this part right here. I thought I'm never gonna finish this because I've been raking and raking and raking and raking and pulling out some debris, bricks and rocks that's been hidden like right below the surface. You couldn't really see it, but I knew it was in there when I was spreading the dirt with the excavator. I knew I've been spreading around the debris as well. There was lots of stuff right under the surface, so I needed to make sure that the top layer of the dirt is clean for the grass seeds to germinate. This corner at the front of the house has also germinated. The only section that I really didn't get a chance to finish is the parking lot section. So there's gonna be a parking lot, so I'm not worrying about this right now. And also I don't worry about the front of the house either, because I'll be building a front porch at front of each house, so there's gonna be 3 separate front porches, so I don't worry about that section right now. So the grass is growing. I'm really glad that it's finally done and I can move forward. Right now I'll be finishing the stucco finish, the facade, and I also wanted to talk about my book. So what's up, guys? How's everybody doing? I wanted to talk about my book right now. Some of you suggested in the comments that I should write a book about my life. Well, then I remembered that I actually wrote a book years ago and I totally forgot about it. I actually had it published on Amazon, but I only sold 1 copy of it, so I actually took it down. So about a week ago, I've decided I'm going to re-release that book. I haven't re-edited it. I honestly do not even remember the exact words in the book. I really would have to reread it, but I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. Some of you Americans might remember back in the days when Walmart and other grocery stores had a 200% guarantee on meat products, which means that if you bought a meat, you brought it home, opened the package, and the meat was bad, it smelled bad, was rotten, whatever, you then could take it back to the store for return and you would get double money back. What happened to me years ago when I've been working at Walmart, stripping, waxing floors, I bought a bag of chicken thighs, those cheap chicken thighs, humongous thighs from chickens on steroids. I opened the bag and the chicken was bad, and I took it back to the store and I got double the money. I didn't know what was going on back then. I thought that the customer service clerk made a mistake, but she told me, you know, we have a 200% guarantee on the meat products. Then I came home and I told about it to my roommates, and the guy that just started working under my command, I used to be a supervisor on the floors, stripping, waxing floors at Walmart, and he said, you know what would be fun? If you take that meat, that bad meat, and you drive around the country and, you know, you purchase the meat, you make it stink, and then you return it and you get double the money. You could, you know, you could be making money like that. And I was like, that's not a bad idea. So this is a little hint of what's going on in my book. If that little hint got you interested in what's going on in that book and you decided to read it, just follow the link in the description. The book is only $3.95, so it's only $4. I'm not planning on getting rich of it, but if you want to read some interesting story, really unusual, that might keep you guessing like, what the hell, you know what I mean? Controversial, something you've never expected, so this is the book for you. All right, so follow the link in the description. After you read it, let me know what you think about this journey. And I'm also planning on releasing audiobook. I'm currently in the stage, you know, having this arranged. Stay tuned for the audiobook as well. So this is it from me for today's update. This video is rather short, but I don't really have any more time for any longer videos. I actually am taking a weekend off. You know, I just need the rest, so I'll be staying away from the computer and everything else. I'm probably gonna take some trip to the nature to get some fresh air and just relax. But while I'm relaxing, enjoy my videos, and I thank you all for watching and subscribing. Take care. Peace.